Hi everyone, today I wanted to show what display settings there are to change on this Sony Xperia Pro-I smartphone. So let's go ahead and start. We need to open the settings app, which looks just like that, as you can see. Look for the display settings. And here we are. So there is a very cool quality setting that you can customize, which is called image quality settings. In here you have to choose between two main modes, so creator mode and standard mode. In standard mode there is also some customizations that you can make, so you can either switch on or switch off auto creator mode, or you can also disable or enable the video image enhancements. I'll just stick to creator mode just for right now, since I just like its colors better. So moving on to the next setting, which is the white balance, which is pretty common and general setting that a lot of phones have. So here you regulate the white balance, and usually it is being regulated automatically, but you can also play with it and see if you can set up it better by hand, so manually. As you can see, by moving this bar, the tone of our color scheme changes. There are also some standard preset values for the white balance, which are warm, medium and cold, so you can switch between them as well. I'll just go ahead and choose for the white balance to be set automatically. And a very cool feature that a lot of modern premium devices, smartphone have, it is the opportunity to switch between high screen refresh rate and standard screen refresh rate. So in this case we have either 120 Hz as for the high refresh rate, or 60 Hz as for the low refresh rate, but I'll just choose the bigger value of the refresh rate of the display smoothness, since even though it drains significantly more battery, the smoothness of visuals of your phone is unrivaled, so I really like it. There are also some very standard general settings, such as brightness level, which you can also regulate. You can either turn on or turn off the adaptive brightness, which is basically just automatic brightness feature. A default screen timeout or screen sleep setting, which can be set in the values between 15 seconds and 10 minutes. So it is a very standard values too. Also there is some phone settings to configure if you want. The display size that you can also change, increase, decrease, so set it up as you like. Very standard setting of a dark mode, which pretty much every phone has as far as I'm concerned. Auto rotate screen feature, which basically once enabled, it allows the display of your device to move along with physical appearance of your phone. So if I'll turn the phone a little bit, as you can see, the screen has rotated as well. And if I'll get it back to the portrait mode, or portrait state, should I say, it will get back to the portrait. But if you'll disable this feature, or this option, the phone will not, the display of your phone will not rotate alongside with the physical phone itself. There are also like some lock screen preferences, which you can configure, customize up to your liking, which is good to have. And there are also some very interesting advanced display section on this Sony Xperia smartphone. So side sense, one-handed mode, which is just basically, as you can see in the preview of this mode, it decreases the working area of your display, so you can manage your phone with only one hand. As for right now, I don't need it, so I'll turn it off. There is also this smart backlight control, I'm sorry, which basically just the sensors that can automatically detect whether you are holding your device in the hands or not. Some screensaver feature, which is also like, well, let me just demonstrate it real quick. So you can choose between colors and that. So just pretty much, well, how should I say it? Replace the screen if you do something. So in this case, it's either never or while charging. So if you'll plug in the charging cable, it will go ahead and show these colors, or the clock right here, or if you'll have any photos in your gallery, it will show the photos. So that was it for the display settings of the smartphone. So we hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.